friends, I'm Melanie from melanicooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Greek sausage in the air fryer. So usually I get Italian sausage or breads, but this time I saw this Greek sausage in the store and I really wanted to try it. So now I'm going to cook it to perfection in the air fryer and I'll show you how. So this is a raw sausage, not cooked. And all we need to do is just put it in the air fryer. So the air fryer basket, put Greek sausage in the air fryer in a single layer. And put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket, and you can flip the sausages over so they brown more evenly. Now this step is totally optional, it's just if you prefer more even browning, but if you don't flip them, they'll also cook just fine. And now I'll put them back in the air fryer and let them finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these Greek sausages. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now to make sure they're cooked through, I do recommend using instant read thermometer. For sausage, the temperature should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, they're over 165, so I know they're done. If your sausage is not done, just put it back in the air fryer at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for another few minutes until it's cooked through. So let's now remove the sausage from the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good it looks. And it was so easy. The air fryer did all the work. Easiest cooking method ever. So now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love sausage. Look at it. It's perfectly cooked and so juicy. Delicious. This Greek sausage is so tasty. It has very unique spices in it. I love it. I do highly recommend you try it if you haven't already. It's a really nice change from the usual Italian sausage. Something different, very tasty, and so easy to make in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melanicooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!